We put on a career day, we partner with the schools, and we certainly have partnered a couple times with the Springdale schools. And what we like to do with them is bring them in and really first get them starting to think about, hey, what would be important for them into a career? And after we do that, we start talking about some competencies, and we've done things around communication, team building, problem solving, and just general interpersonal skills, which are so important now. And then we wrap it all up and make it alive by doing some creative, interactive activities to let the kids touch and feel and experience some of the things we're talking about.
The purpose of the field trip is to give students exposure to real-life professional skills that they'll need in the workplace. And Central States Manufacturing does a wonderful job of not only telling the students about the professional skills needed, but they put them through some really entertaining, fun activities for the students to increase the level of engagement.
My biggest takeaway from today's trip was that communicating is a super important skill that you need in life to have. One of the activities that we did where we were blindfolded and we had to communicate with one another to get to the other side of the tape.
Right, and something could go wrong.
Jim, which is one of their leaders, talked to us about communication, the importance of teamwork, and we toured the warehouse and got to see all the different opportunities that they had there.
I find it important to take field trips as a student, since it gives you a good look on reality, on the world, to see what you're gonna face once you graduate.
I love our community partnerships with businesses because they've been wonderful about bringing students in and showing them not only their facilities and what they do, but what they're looking for in the future workforce here in Springdale.